All right, so just really quickly on two-way tables, which is something you would have looked at in first year. So two-way table is just a way of displaying the results when you have two trials. Like say in this case here, you're rolling two dice. All right, so you're rolling dice one and dice two. Okay, so there are six possible outcomes on the first dice. There's six possible outcomes on the second. So when you combine those, there are, using our fundamental principle of counting, 6 multiplied by 6, 36 possible outcomes. And you can see them there kind of in the table. So you can have 1 and then 1, 1 and then 2, 1 and then 3, etc. all the way up to 6, 5, 6, 6. Okay, so 36 possible outcomes when you roll two dice. A couple of probability questions on the side here. So find the probability of getting two fives. Well, of all the 36 outcomes, how many of them are two fives? Just this one here. Okay, so there's only one way you can get a 5 and then a 5. So the probability of getting two fives is 1 in 36, so 1 over 36. The probability of getting two even numbers, so two even numbers, you've got 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, that's 3. 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6, that's another 3. 6, 2, 6, 4, 6, 6, that's another 3. So there are 9 there where there are two even numbers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 over 36 is the probability of getting two even numbers. That simplifies then to just 1 in 4. Third one then, two numbers that add up to a number greater than 7. So if you were to roll a 1 on the first dice, you can't get a number greater than 7. So the most you can get is 1, 6, which adds to 7. It says here a number greater than 7. So if you were to roll a 2 on the first one, 2, 6 is 8. Okay, so there's 1 there. If you were to roll a 3 on the first one, well, 3, 5 and 3, 6. So there's 8 if you add those together. There's 9 if you add those together. If you were to roll a 4 on the first one, 4 and 4, 4 and 5, 4 and 6, they all add to a number greater than 7. If you were to add a 5, and from 5, 3 down. If you were to roll a 6 first time round, anything from 6, 2 down to 6, 6 would be greater than 7. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so just 15 over 36. And I would just enter that onto the calculator just to simplify it to the simplest possible fraction it can be, and that is 5 over 12. So 15 over 36, but always simplify fractions if you can. So 5 in 12, 5 over 12. All right, so that's a two-way table. I'll just put up another one real quick. So this is the two-way table if you roll a die and then toss a coin. Okay, so there's 6 possible outcomes for the die. 2 possible outcomes for the coin, 6 multiplied by 2, 12 possible outcomes. Okay, so there's the 1 to 6 on the die, heads or tails. So when you combine them, there's 12 possible outcomes. All right, question I'm asked, a die is rolled and then a coin is tossed. What is the probability of getting an even number on the tail? Even number and then a tail. So 2 and then a tail, 4 and then a tail, 6 and then a tail. So that is 3 outcomes out of a possible 12. So 3 over 12, which simplifies to 1 in 4. Okay, so that's two-way tables revised really quick.